What are some good examples of disclaimers? Have you ever wondered how companies protect themselves while communicating with customers? Disclaimers play a key role in this process. Let's look at some solid examples of disclaimers that are commonly used in customer service communications. First up is the liability disclaimer for services. This disclaimer tells customers that the company is not responsible for any injuries or damages that may happen while using their services or equipment. For instance, a gym might include a disclaimer stating they are not liable for injuries sustained while using their machines. Next, we have the copyright disclaimer. This informs customers that the content shared by the company is protected by copyright law. It makes it clear that customers cannot use this content without permission. If the company uses third-party content, the disclaimer should acknowledge this and clarify how it can be used legally. Another important disclaimer is the third-party liability disclaimer. This clarifies that the company is not responsible for the content on external websites linked to their site. It also states that the company does not endorse any third-party opinions or products. Then, there is the opinion disclaimer. When a company shares guest posts or opinions, this disclaimer states that the views expressed are those of the authors and do not reflect the company's position. This protects the company from liability for any defamatory statements made by others. The service scope disclaimer is another valuable tool. It outlines exactly what services the company will and will not perform. For example, a cleaning service might specify that they will not move clutter left by customers. This helps manage customer expectations and limits disputes. A compensation limitation disclaimer is also essential. It limits the amount of money a customer can claim for losses or injuries related to the company's products or services. This disclaimer specifies clear financial limits to avoid misunderstandings. The trademark disclaimer is useful when a company uses logos or trademarks of other brands. This disclaimer states that there is no affiliation or endorsement relationship unless one exists. Confidentiality disclaimers are often used in emails. They assure recipients that the information shared is intended only for them and should not be disclosed further. Another common disclaimer is the no guarantee or warranty disclaimer. This states that the company does not guarantee specific results from using its products or services. This protects against claims of failure. Finally, we have the use at your own risk disclaimer. This advises customers that they assume responsibility for any risks associated with using the company's products or services. These disclaimers help customer service teams communicate clearly and protect the company from legal claims. By setting transparent boundaries around liability, service scope, and content use, companies can build trust and manage expectations effectively. Including them in customer communications, websites, emails, or contracts supports compliance and enhances the customer experience.